Hey guys, I hope you've all had a great start to the week so far. We are going to be doing a makeup tutorial today for a beautiful, simple, nude halo eye. This could be good for all occasions, whether it's Valentine's Day, which is coming up, it could be for an everyday smoky eye, going out clubbing, whatever you like, the nude tones will suit nice and easy. So let's get started into this makeup look. To start the eyes today, we are going to be taking a really soft brown through the crease of our eye socket. This is going to act as our transition colour, and this is my favourite palette to use for everyday kind of looks, the Jaclyn Morphe palette. So we're just taking a fluffy blending brush and blending that through the crease, as you guys can see. And in a second we are going to take the darker brown and popping it on the outside and the inside of the eye, and then through the centre we're going to use the champagne tone. I am so excited for my video that is coming up this weekend for you guys, so make sure you keep an eye out. I am going to show you how to dye your hair with carrot and beetroot juice. I know, it sounds hilarious, right? Wait until you see what a mess I make of my hair. Anyway, back to this video. You guys can see that I'm popping the halo effect in the center at the moment just to really make those eyes pop. But because it's such neutral tones, it doesn't look too outrageous or crazy, which is really nice for something a bit more simple. I'm trying to find some new Instagram accounts to follow at the moment just because I always see the same things on my home feed. So if you guys would like to follow me or even like some of my photos so I can see your guys' accounts, I'll put my Instagram account up on the screen at the moment. And make sure you do either of the two, and then I will check out your accounts and I can follow you guys and see what you post, because I feel like I see the same photos over and over and over again, so it'd be really cool to see some new stuff on my home feed. So you guys can see that we have now blended out that smoky eye look and it's coming together really nicely. But to add a pop of colour, we are taking this eyeliner. This is a SUVA eyeliner, and this is obviously a red colour. Of course you don't have to use a red, you could use a pink or a gold or a green or a blue, whatever you like, even a black if you want to keep it nice and simple, and make those eyes pop. So like I said, if you guys don't have any bright eyeliners at home, try using any bright liquid lipsticks that you have. Make sure that you're looking down at the ground for a little bit longer so it has time to air dry properly, but I tell you now, as soon as that bad boy has dried, it is not going to budge. They wear just as well as any eyeliner would. So definitely try it out if you don't have any liquid liners at home. You guys can see I'm using a very small brush as well because I wanted to get very precise, elongated wings. I really wanted to fly away with these wings. I love a long winged eyeliner. Next step, of course, is to apply some mascara. So we're taking this Bobbi brown mascara, and this is the eye opening formula. So it's really nice, thick and volumizing, and just popping that on the lashes before we put our false lashes on. Now you guys can see I'm about to put some false lashes on. These are Model Rock lashes, and they are so wispy and nice, and the band is so thin. They have to be my favourite false lashes at the moment for something that really enhances your eyes, but nothing too crazy or too heavy. Like, you could still have natural lashes that look like this, which I really love that type of lash. If you guys have any preferred lash brands, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm always trying to find new affordable lashes that don't have a really thick lash band. So if you guys have any preferences or ones that you think are amazing, please let me know down below. That would be so awesome. Anyway, with the eyes, you can see I am just adding that final touch of eyeliner to really hide the lash band. You'll find that this makes it look a little bit more realistic with your lashes if you do this. And we need to put our base on and everything, of course, so you guys can see my makeup is now basically complete. But we are going to add a little bit of inner corner highlight. So I've just smoked out the lower lash line using that deep brown as we did on the top. And now we're taking this Artist Couture highlighter and putting that on the inner corners and under the brows to really make our eyes stand out. This is like the most stunning highlighter ever. I hope you guys have enjoyed this makeup look. I had so much fun creating something a little bit more neutral toned but very soft and glamorous at the same time. I would love to know what you guys want to see next, so let me know in the comments down below. But otherwise, have a really great day, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!